Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to learn how to install the necessary packages for working with Apache Iceberg in Python. Specifically, we'll be installing three key packages: PyIceberg, which is the Python library for Apache Iceberg; Polars, a lightning-fast data frame library; and DuckDB, an analytical database that works well with Iceberg tables. Let's start with the installation process. I'll be showing you how to install these packages directly from the Jupyter Notebook. This approach works on Linux, macOS, and Windows, or I should say all of them. First, let's install PyIceberg, which is the official Python implementation of Apache Iceberg. Open your Jupyter Notebook and type pip install iceberg. You might notice that I just used pip install iceberg rather than pip install PyIceberg. This is because the package is registered on Python repository as Iceberg, but we import it in our code as PyIceberg. When you run this command, pip will download and install the PyIceberg library and its dependencies. PyIceberg provides a Python API for reading and writing Iceberg tables, as well as performing various table management operations, like creating, updating, and evolving schemas. Now that we have PyIceberg installed, let's install Polars, which is a data frame library optimized for performance. Polars is written in Rust and provides Python bindings, making it extremely fast for data manipulation tasks. To install Polars, type pip install Polars. Polars provides a powerful and efficient alternative to pandas, especially for larger data sets. It has both eager and lazy execution models, with the lazy model being particularly useful for optimizing query plans. What's great about Polars is that it has native integration with PyIceberg, allowing you to work with Iceberg tables directly through the Polars API. Finally, let's install DuckDB, which is a high-performance analytical database that's embedded like SQLite but optimized for analytical queries. DuckDB also has integration with Iceberg, allowing you to query Iceberg tables using SQL. To install DuckDB, type pip install DuckDB. DuckDB is particularly useful for ad hoc analysis and SQL-based data exploration. It can read from various data sources, including Iceberg tables, and provides excellent query. Now that we have everything installed, we're ready to start working with Iceberg tables using PyIceberg, Polars, and DuckDB. In our next tutorials, we'll explore how to create, query, and manage Iceberg tables using these tools. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today. Let's see in the next video.